Hello everyone, my name is Martina and I'm a Spanish teacher and I'm here to share my Canva story with you. So first I was introduced to Canva during spring of 2020 when our school went to transition to remote learning. I first was just curious. I really like to play with different designs. I like to make my classes interesting, and so that was my initial thought. Maybe I need to look into something different. I started using Canva first for my daily agendas for my students, and then soon I realized how much more you can actually do with the Pro version, and so I've upgraded to Pro version. Now I use Canva pretty much for everything on a daily basis. I make little videos, I make presentations, I make posts with the Canva, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone because my colleagues are asking me, how did you do this? It looks really good, it looks professional, very appealing, and so I definitely feel that Canva is a really great tool for educators, and now I have been using it also for my own business. So I hope this helped, and have a wonderful New Year 2021.